Hello and welcome to another video. This is US dollar, Canadian dollar, uh, and this is a 204-minute chart. Let's first look at the trend line. Okay, this is our trend line for USD CAD, and this is our confirmation here. We have 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 touch here for confirmation, and we can say this is good trend line. Okay, let's show the static support for USD CAD, and we can see this static support here. Look at this perfect static support for USD CAD, and here 1.36677. This is perfect support for USD CAD. Let's see other method in this pair. Okay, look at this median line here, and it's good median line, and it show here is perfect support for USD CAD 240-minute chart, and it can bullish until here. Look at this bearish trend line here, and it could be bullish until here. Okay, don't forget money management. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget like and subscribe.